go back and forth, which is another $2.60 each way. So let's go find a seat on this train. Monaco. It's a big market here. 8 euros a kilo. Not cheap for sure. I don't know. Oh, that's how you go up later.
I'm talking about the restaurant.
I don't know. My guess is somewhere here. Here we're in that's the food court area. Everything's very reasonable. Maybe it's this one. It's this one, yeah. This is the place. Maison de Pâtés. And everyone here is eating some here. That looks pretty good. Truffle Bistro. Apparently one of the best. Non-stop service. Things are very reasonable. And you can see how they make everything here. Alright, we're here ordering.
Tomato and basil.
Speck avec crème and parmesan. What? No, we're fine.
21 euros.
Okay, we paid. We figured how to pay. We get a little bread. So what do we do? Let's try this. It has prosciutto, speck, and squash, zucchini. The other one has meat. And look at these ladies, they got nice food there too. Here we are, all these trendy people. Whoa, that looks good. All the food looks pretty good. Seems like we walk up there to the castle and to the palace. I'm limping from yesterday. This is Monaco. We will go to Monte Carlo later. So this was the marché, good food court, a lot of trendy people. You can take a look at how Monte Carlo looks like here. We are in the square of Monaco here. That is the official police office here. Amazing. Kath, you can't go in. She got screamed at. Doesn't matter, you can't look, it's private, sorry. And this is the palace for the prince and the whoever, king or whoever. And there's the tough cop. Okay, we're coming to a viewpoint here by the palace. Seems like a lot of things are closed here. It's this low season. Here's all the cannons and the fort. This is not the Monte Carlo side. I don't even know what side it is. Let's take a look. And look at those boats. Let's choose one. Okay, which boat should we buy? There's some huge yachts there. We got a beautiful day, so we elected to come today so we get a nice clear view. Here we are, climbing on the outer part of the hilltop of Monaco. The rest of the Monaco is below. Shopping, boats, condos after condos. Yachts after yachts. And beautiful sunsets. We're gonna go to the cathedral where I guess Grace Kelly and the other royal members are buried. So let's go and look. Huge cathedral. It's humongous. I guess they were married here. I'm not sure if they're buried there. We'll soon see. We're walking in the Cathedral of Monaco where Grace Kelly and Prince Rene was married. I'm not sure if they were buried here to their remains. Take a look. Panoramic view of the port in Monaco. Up to Monte Carlo from Monaco. This is the train station. Debating if we go to this church. I think she's decided to go. This is the famous walk which links Monte Carlo with Monaco. And straight ahead is the casino. Just look for rich people. They're certain. Oh, look at this Rolls Royce. Ferrari. This is the Grand Prix. Look at that building, it's quite nice. Up there. We're walking towards the casino now, there. And Hotel de France, Paris. A few designer shops. See how it looks here. Very impressive. Is that the Hotel Paris, potentially? Oh, we got the scary chicks. Let's go take a picture of the scary chicks here. Competition. Video of all the half decent cars here. Rover, 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 Red Rover, and more Rovers. Rover seems to be a very popular car, as are Mercedes, Lotus. I see a lot of Lotus. There's a few BMWs here. Look at this Ferrari. Oh wow, look at that Rolls Royce here. Rover, Rover, Rover. A lot of Bentleys. Oh, come on. Look at this one. Oh wow, that's a huge Rolls Royce. I like. A Bentley. That's a weird blue one. There's our Rover. Our Rover. That one's an interesting one. Is that the casino? That's the casino. This is usually open. Guess they have Christmas stuff coming up. Let's see what cars are in front of the casino. Let's see what kind of cars are in front of the casino. Anyone famous? Cafe de Paris. What's this car? Don't even know what it is. Oh, McLaren. There's your Cafe de Paris there. Merry Christmas. We've just entered the casino, Monte Carlo, where many movies have been filmed. Who's here? Nobody coming? Costs 17 euros to go inside. And you have to have proper dress code. But just to go look at the lobby, it's free. You can look at the lobby here. And it's free. And then you got all these other people. It's one of the lounge areas, casino. Very pretty. Shopping. I think I need a new watch. I don't even wear mine. The Panther. I have to take it out of the safety deposit box. It has a few more diamonds in mine. Why wouldn't it be real? Why wouldn't it be? Look at these dudes. Setting up for a lot of Christmas stuff here. Any nice cars here, the valet service. Okay, we're done Monte Carlo. A little too rich for our blood. It's a classy Bentley.